A lot is happening across the globe, more so the difficulty and hardship that people are facing as a result of the changing world because of a pandemic that has overtaken the globe. And you and I know that many people have lost their loved ones. Many people have lost jobs, they've lost income. Many people do not know what might happen tomorrow because obviously as a mu'min, we do realize that everything is in the hands of Allah. We are believers. And we know that Allah can change things at any time, positive or negative. It's up to Him. فَعَّالٌ لِمَا يُرِيدُ. He does what He wishes. لَا يُسْأَلُ عَمَّا يَفْعَلُ وَهُمْ يُسْأَلُونَ. Allah will never be questioned about what He does. But they, meaning you and I, will be questioned. What you do, what I do, we will be questioned. But what Allah does, no one can ever question Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, as much as we know things are in the hands of Allah, some people struggle with anxiety because they don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, and perhaps they need a boost of faith. My brothers, my sisters, I am here to tell you that nothing will harm you except if Allah has written it against you. And no good will come in your direction except if Allah has written it for you. So lay your trust in Allah, try your best, and be pleased with whatever the outcome is. You've lost a loved one, you're not the first person to lose a loved one, but it is difficult. It is very hard. We do know people may shed tears. Their lives may change when the breadwinner is lost. And when they don't know how he used to earn, suddenly things come crashing. And for this reason, I've come across many people who've lost income completely after the death of a breadwinner, because that breadwinner did not inform the family or anyone how they were earning, what they were earning, what to do if they died. They didn't expect to die, but death comes very unexpectedly. Inna ajal Allahi idha jaa la yuakhkhar. When the fixed time of Allah comes, it's not going to be delayed. So prepare for that day by letting some of your loved ones know, if I die, this is how my business runs. If I die, this is how you will earn. This is how you will live, and so on, if possible. May Allah make it easy for us.